Ever wondered how it feels to dance in the biggest carnival in the world or play soccer on a sunny beach? Well, buckle up, my friends. We're about to embark on a fun-filled adventure to the vibrant city of Rio de Janeiro in Brazil. Hold on tight because we're taking off now. As we soar high above, let your imagination run wild. Picture a city sandwiched between towering mountains and the sparkling Atlantic Ocean. Welcome to Rio de Janeiro, a city full of life, color, and music. First stop, the iconic Christ the Redeemer statue. Perched atop the Corcovado mountain, this statue stands tall as a beacon of peace and tranquility. Our animated friends can't believe their eyes as they gaze upon this towering symbol of faith. Can you imagine standing beneath this colossal statue looking out over the sprawling city below? Next, our animated explorers find themselves in the heart of the city, at the Celeron Steps. These steps are an explosion of color, with over 2,000 tiles from more than 60 countries. Our animated friends marvel at the vivid colors and intricate designs, each tile telling a different story. But what's that sound? The rhythm of drums and the strumming of guitars lead our friends toward the Sambadrome, the pulse of Rio's famous carnival. A wave of vibrant costumes, samba dancers, and gigantic floats engulfs them in a celebration like no other. Can you feel the rhythm? After all that excitement, it's time for a breather. Our animated friends find the perfect spot at the Copacabana beach. With golden sand beneath their feet and the warm sun above, they join in a friendly game of soccer with the locals. Can you hear the laughter and cheers? As the sun sets, our friends head to Sugarloaf Mountain. Riding the cable car all the way to the top, they watch as the city transforms into a sea of twinkling lights. It's a sight that takes their breath away. And just like that, our journey comes to an end. Our animated friends have danced in the world's biggest carnival, marveled at the Christ the Redeemer, discovered the colorful Celeron Steps, played soccer on the Copacabana beach, and watched the sunset from Sugarloaf Mountain. They've experienced the heart and soul of Rio de Janeiro, a city that dances to its own rhythm and celebrates life in all its vibrant colors. So, my friends, where shall we go next? The world is full of wonders waiting to be explored. Until then, keep dreaming and keep exploring because the greatest adventure is yet to come.